Susan. Today I'm participating in week 36 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a photo or illustration of a garden, and I've got that. A monochrome design, I've got this dragonfly. An image of a ladder or stairs, I got this from a children's book. A clipping with numbers, I've got that. A piece of decorative paper with floral patterns, I've got that. And the bonus is an image of glass, and I've got this glass. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am doing pretty good, can't complain. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP36 to see what everyone else has made. So let's see how we're going to do this. Already inked, and none of this is going to really go together. Let's see, I think I want that on top. Okay, and kind of maybe thinking like a little flower garden. Have that, something like that. I could have I don't know, I thought about having the glass like in the, tucked in there. And my moth could go there, and my numbers could go there. And I have this, but I don't think that's going to work. I think I have enough of a focal point. So let's get this down. All right. We'll put this down first. Yeah, I don't think it ever quite reached 90. We thought we were going to get some 90s. It's been a little warmer, but it just hadn't been unbearable. And I am filming this on Saturday, so we'll have Mississippi State playing tonight. All the way down. And I do, before I press that down, I want to tuck this glass. All right, I got that glued down. And now, let's see, let's get this down. This is really a simple one. And now let me trim some of this off. And now I can tuck. Oh, do I want to? I may want to do that. I don't know, I kind of like that better. So. I still feel like I need something up there. I just don't know what. The little legs, I actually fussy cut those this time. helps for all the good it did me, huh? Put your little antenna back on there. It's just going to be a little crooked. And it looks like I pulled the leg off. That's why I don't usually bother with trying to fussy cut them. Okay, I still feel like I need something up there, but I just don't know what. Let's see, I'm sure I have got something floating around here. There's always something floating on this desk. I don't think that'll... I like the Fearless because it looks like they're sneaking out, but I would rather it go across. There we go. Fearless. Okay. Now let's see what we can do to bring a little life to it. Make this pop. I wouldn't mind having that pop. Let's get the... What did I do with my water pen? I don't know. I got this one. It's not my favorite one, but... It's somewhere on this messy desk. And I just cleaned it up the other day as well. For all the good it does me. Okay. I think we need to draw attention to the glass. I don't think I'm just gonna do the smear technique. And I want to that helps it a little bit. I hope the glare's not too bad. Oh, right there. Well, that is the ice. That's not glare. All right. Now, let's just play. Add a little bit of something to this. I love the glitter pens. Let's see what else I've got. kind of a gold one I could kind of add a little bit to. Alright, let's see, got a little bit of orange. That's more of a pink, but just a little bit of something to it. Let's use some of this yellow on this monochrome. It's another shade of yellow, yellowish orange and brownish yellow. Okay. Let's see here. I have a pink. And all right. I don't know whether to add the gold splatters or not. I just don't know if this is one for gold splatters. So I think I'm going to opt out on them this time. And let's see if there's anything else I can add. I think I'm done. Well, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP36 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.